A room without a book is a body without soul. Okay, a room without a book is a body without soul. Okay, read more and more books. Okay, you have to daily practice this and read more and more books. Then only easily we can get knowledge of all the things. Okay, read any type of book which gives knowledge. Okay, then now we can start with, here we are going to see about traveling words. Okay, traveling words. While traveling in the time we are using these words. Okay, now the first one is Hawaii Atta. Hawaii Atta means airport. Okay, Hawaii Adda. Tirchi ki Hawaii Adda bahut bada hai. Okay, Tirchi ki Hawaii Atta bahut bada hai means the airport of Trichy is very big. Then Hawaii Jahaj. Hawaii Jahaj. Hawaii Jahaj is aeroplane. Aeroplane. हमारी मुख्यमंत्री हवाई जहाज में आते हैं. Okay, our chief minister, मुख्यमंत्री chief minister airplane is traveling along with airplane. Then now means boat. Now means boat. हम कुट्रालम में नाव में गए. नाव में हम गए. Then बैलगाड़ी is bullock cart. Nowadays we are often seeing this बैलगाड़ी. Okay, it is used to carry the sand etc. things. Nowadays we can see the man who is riding this bullock cart carrying the sand from the river. Then cabin means cabin. Okay, cabin. Okay, cabin in the train. Then gaadi. Okay, gaadi is garage cart. Okay, gaadi is carriage. We can say like that. Here we are saying that bail gaadi. Okay, rail gaadi. Okay, rail gaadi means train. Okay, rail gaadi means train. Goda gaadi, horse cart. Then janjeer means chain. Janjeer means chain. Okay, if anything, if the train got fire, we have to pull the chain in the carriage. Then dabba is compartment. Dabba means compartment. Par karna means crossing. While crossing the road we have to see left and right. Okay, we have to see left and right while crossing the road. सड़क को पार करने के समय हमको दाएं ओर और बाएं ओर देखना चाहिए. दाएं और बाएं ओर देखना चाहिए. Here see, रेलगाड़ी. I have written, you know, रेलगाड़ी means train. Okay, रेलगाड़ी means train. Then now आरक्षण is reservation. Okay, मुझे मुंबई जाने की आरक्षण करना है. मुझे मुंबई जाने की आरक्षण करना है means I have to reserve the ticket to go for Mumbai. Then tej means fast, speed. Okay, we can hear the sound in the railway station, in the railway platform. We can hear that the fast passenger is arriving. Okay, tej, मुंबई जाने वाली तेज रेलगाड़ी आ रही है. Like that. Then उड़ना is flying. मैं हवाई जहाज में उड़ना चाहती हूँ. I want to fly in the airplane. Then पैदल path means footpath. Okay, while crossing the road we have to walk in the footpath only. Okay, सड़क के जाते समय हमको पैदल पाथ में जाना है. Then रुकना means halting. Okay, करूर से आने वाली करूर से आने वाली गाड़ी रेलगाड़ी ईरोड एक्सप्रेस रेलगाड़ी कुलितलाई में रुक गया. Okay, तिरुची में रुक गया means the train is halting in this station. Okay, then jahag, jagag means seat, jagag means seat. While reserving the seats in the expresses, okay, we have to fix some berth seat, etc. Then here bandargah, bandargah means harbour, bandargah means harbour. Okay, in Chennai we are having a big harbour. Okay, in Chennai we are having a big harbour. Chennai की बंदरगाह बहुत मशहूर है, famous. The harbour of the Chennai is famous. Then रवाना होना, रवाना होना means to start. Okay, to start. We can hear the sounds of the railway employees in the platform. The train ravana hogi, like that we can see ravana hoga. 8 baje, okay, 8 baje Mumbai Express ravana hoga means the train will start at 8 o'clock. Okay, ravana hoga. Then daura yatra, daura yatra is means tour. मैं काशी की यात्रा गया हूँ. Okay, मैं काशी की यात्रा गया हूँ means I travel in the yatra tour to Kashi. Okay, Kashi, like that. See once again here Hawai Adda, Hawai Adda is airport. Okay, airport. Hawai Jahaj is aeroplane. Now is boat. Bailgadi, bullock cart. Okay, cabin, cabin means cabin. Gadi is carriage or cart. Zanjeer, okay, zanjeer is chain. Here dabba, okay, dabba is compartment. मैं पहला कंपार्ट में यात्रा करती हूँ. मैं पहला कंपार्ट में यात्रा करती हूँ means I am traveling in the first compartment. Then पार करना is crossing, पार करना is crossing. मैं सड़क में 8 बजे पार करी हूँ. Then रेलगाड़ी is train. Okay, रेलगाड़ी is train. मैं रेलगाड़ी में गया, मुंबई गया. Okay, here आरक्षण is reservation. Aarakshan is reservation. Tej means fast. Okay, fast speed. Then udana is flying. Then paidal path is pedestrian path. We can see as pedestrian path, like that. Paidal path, footpath. Then rukna, halting. Okay, uski gaadi Mumbai में रुक गई, like that. जगग means seat. जहाज is ship. Then बंदरगाह is harbour. मुंबई की बंदरगाह बहुत मशहूर है. Okay, the Mumbai harbour is famous. Then रवाना होना. Okay, रवाना होना means to start. Okay, Mumbai Express कल 8 बजे रवाना होगी. Then taura yatra, here means tour. Okay, you can easily understand these words and use it in your life.